Hello everyone, it's me. Today we have another great lesson for you. 24 easy everyday English words. We made two lists like this. This is the second one. If you haven't seen the first one yet, check it out. The link will be in the description. In today's video, you will learn 24 easy everyday English words with meanings and examples. Let's get started. Number 1, friend. A friend is a person who you know well and who you enjoy spending time with. For example, Sarah is my best friend. We go shopping together every weekend. Number 2, family. Your family is the group of people who are related to you and who you live with. It includes your parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, etc. For example, I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Number 3, work. Work is something that you do to earn money. It's the activities that you do regularly to achieve a goal or complete a task. For example, what do you do for a living? I work in a bank. Number 4, home. Your home is the place where you live. It's the building or the place that you consider to be your private space. For example, is this your first home? Yes, I just bought it last month. Number 5, street. A street is a public road in a city or town that usually has buildings on both sides. For example, I live on the corner of Main Street and Park Avenue. Number 6, city. A city is a large urban area that usually has lots of people, buildings, roads, etc. For example, I was born in a small city in the countryside. Number 7, country. A country is a nation with its own government, culture, history, etc. It's the land and the people within its borders. For example, I am a citizen of this country. Number 8, market. A market is a place where goods are bought and sold. It's where people go to purchase items they need or want. For example, can you go to the market and buy some bread and eggs, please? Number 9, food. Food is something that you eat to stay alive and healthy. It provides the nutrients and energy your body needs. For example, what's your favorite food? I love pizza. Number 10, water. Water is a liquid that we drink to survive. It makes up a large percentage of our bodies and is essential for life. For example, you should drink more water during the day. Number 11, clothes. Clothes are the things you wear on your body to cover it. They protect you from the elements and help you express your personal style. For example, I need to buy some new clothes. My old ones are all worn out. Number 12, shoes. Shoes are the things you wear on your feet. They protect your feet and help you walk comfortably. For example, do you have any spare shoes? I forgot to bring mine. Number 13, door. A door is a hinged or sliding mechanism that allows you to enter or exit a room or building. For example, can you close the door, please? It's very drafty in here. Number 14, window. A window is an opening in a wall or door that lets in light and air. It's usually made of glass and is used to see outside. For example, I like to open the window and read while the sun is shining. Number 15, bed. A bed is a piece of furniture used for sleeping. It has a mattress, a headboard, and a footboard, and is often covered with sheets and blankets. For example, I love to sleep in my bed. It's so comfortable. Number 16, light. Light is the form of energy that enables us to see. It comes from the sun or from artificial sources such as lamps. For example, turn on the light. It's too dark to study. Number 17, sun. The sun is the star at the center of our solar system. It provides light and heat to the earth and makes life possible. For example, I love to feel the sun on my skin. It's so relaxing. Number 18, rain. Rain is water that falls from clouds. It's a form of precipitation and can be light or heavy. For example, I like to listen to the rain. It's so soothing. Number 19, hot. Hot describes something that has a high temperature. It's the opposite of cold. For example, it's too hot to wear a jacket. I'm sweating. Number 20, cold. Cold means having a low temperature. It's the opposite of hot. For example, it's so cold outside. You should wear a coat. Number 21, look. To look is to direct your eyes towards something, to examine or observe it. For example, what are you looking at? There's nothing there. Number 22, see. To see is to perceive with your eyes. It's to become aware of something through sight. For example, I can see that you're wearing a new dress. It looks nice. Number 23, open. Open means not closed or shut. Something that is open can be entered or used. For example, please open the door. I'm coming in. Number 24, close. Close means shut or not open. It means to make something secure so that nothing can enter or exit. For example, can you close the window, please? The wind is blowing. Now you know 24 easy everyday English words. Practice using them in sentences. You can use them to describe things around you or to talk about simple topics. For example, I have a friend. His name is John. He lives on the same street as me. We work in the same office. He likes to eat food from the market near our home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you next time.